Question 1. What is baking powder? How does it make the cake soft and spongy? To know how the baking powder makes the cake soft and spongy, let us watch the story.
Can you give me a cake? No, this cake.
Why all the customers prefer you? How do you appear so spongy and attractive?
We both are made up of similar ingredients, but baking powder is one ingredient that makes me look fluffy.
Oh, what is it?
Baking powder is a mixture of baking soda, that is sodium bicarbonate, and small amount of mild edible acid like tartaric acid.
How does it work?
When baking powder is heated or mixed with water, sodium hydrogen carbonate reacts with acid component of baking powder and produces carbon dioxide, and this gas helps me to swell and makes me soft and spongy.
I wish I could also have baking powder as ingredient and be so like you.
So, with help of baking powder, cake turns into soft and spongy.